guys, so I got my fab bag right now and yeah, let's unbox it. Also please ignore this look. I have recreated a look and I think this makeup tutorial will be up tomorrow. I have to edit it. I will be doing this fab bag video today as usual and this tutorial would mostly be coming up tomorrow. And if you can guess what look this is, then comment down below. And yeah, let's just open this. This is how the bag looks inside. It's a cute black and pink polka dotted bag. This month's bag is like very heavy. You can feel that. Basic black and fuchsia pink bag with pink polka dots. I quite like the bag and it is faux leather and feels very sturdy and nice. Let's dig into the products. The first product is the Natural Bath and Body Face Mask. It's grapefruit and vitamin C face mask and it says your lighter, whiter, brighter fix. I'm not really into the whitening claim, but this is a 50 ml tube and I think this is a deluxe sized sample. The ingredients are quite interesting and I love trying out different face masks, so I'm really looking forward to trying out the face mask. Next product is the Just Herbs Malabar Lemongrass Invigorating Gentle Body Wash, and again this is a 50 ml bottle and let me just smell this. Cap is very tight and I'm not opening this right now, but I can smell the strong lemongrass. I don't mind a little stronger scent for my body wash because they usually do not tend to linger on if it is very light or soft. Third product is the Chronocare Anti-Term Oil City Repair Hair Oil. This is a 30 ml hair oil bottle. I have tried quite a few Chronocare products and it's a hit and miss usually with them. But they make pretty good bath oils, massage oils, etc. And now this is a hair oil, so this should be good because they make pretty good oils. Also guys, I cannot review everything on YouTube or on my blog, so I do quite a lot of mini reviews on my Snapchat. So I will mention my ID here. You can add me and follow me because I do a lot of mini reviews, hauls, unboxing and a lot of such stuff on my Snapchat. Last but not the least is a foundation. Now I knew I was going to get this because I had a choice of a makeup product for this month and see a lot of essential and base oils and aloe vera and a lot of good stuff over here. Now let me tell you a little bit more about Jerry G. So Jerry G Cosmetics is created by the Hollywood makeup artist Jerry Giagnorio. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing that right. I'm sorry if I have spoiled your name, Jerry G. Makes a lot of different makeup products and the main USP of Jerry G makeup line is his collection has proprietary nanomarine 5 ingredient mix of omegas, that is omega fatty acids, antioxidants, aloe vera, proteins and retinol palmitate for the best skin ever, and all the products are vegan and cruelty free. So you're not only using makeup but you're also getting skincare benefits from that. I like the concept of makeup with skincare because even if you're wearing makeup every day, you're giving back something to your skin by moisturizing it and giving some healthy nutrients and proteins to your skin. So I'm really looking forward to try this Jerry G Innocent foundation. I'm hoping that the shade medium works perfectly for me. So if you have still not subscribed to the fab bag, you will get an option to choose one Jerry G makeup product. You can pick either hydrating lip gloss, volumizing mascara, weightless foundation, that is this, or a multi-purpose blending eye and cheek duo. So there are 4 different options, but all the products are available on first come first serve basis till stocks last. So if you're interested in a full-sized makeup product by Jerry G, make sure you subscribe to this month's fab bag quickly since it is on first come first serve basis and everyone picks their favorites. You will get whatever remains at the end. This month's bag is called the What the Chic August Fab Bag. A few more products in here. These are the Livon serum samples. There are 3 samples here and each packet is worth ₹5, so 3 samples worth ₹15. And the Jerry G Innocent full size foundation, that is a 30 ml full size foundation, is priced at ₹2,500. The Just Herbs body wash is priced at ₹545 for 200 ml and we have a 50 ml bottle. Would be around 140 or 150. Chronocare hair oil is priced at ₹2875 for 500 ml and this is a 30 ml bottle and the price mentioned here is ₹225. This is really expensive. $225 for this 30 ml bottle is very expensive. I hope it gives fabulous results. Let's see how this works. Natural Bath and Body Face Mask is priced at ₹325 for 100 ml and this is 50 ml, so this should be around 160. So the total value of the products in this month's fab bag is little over 3000, which is a fabulous deal. And the Jerry G foundation, this is a full size foundation and alone is worth 2500. And you can pick anything you want from lip gloss, mascara to the eye and cheek duo. Any of the options available, but on first come first serve basis. So yeah guys, that was it for this month's fab bag unboxing. I absolutely loved this month's fab bag because I'm quite excited to try this foundation. If you like this video, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, and also please share, comment and subscribe if you still haven't. Also, my international giveaway ends today, so last few hours remaining if you still haven't joined the giveaway. And also I have a Noel Jansen bag giveaway going on, which is not international, but that giveaway will also end on 5th, so last 3 days remaining for that. If you still haven't joined, make sure you join those giveaways. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys soon. Bye.